How to uninstall Windows updates in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to remove a recently installed update if it's causing issues on your device. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Windows Update in the left sidebar. After that, click on Update History on the right side of the screen. At this point, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Uninstall Updates. From here, you'll see a list of recently installed updates sorted by date. Following this, find the update you want to remove and click Uninstall next to it. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to proceed. Click Yes to confirm and Windows will begin removing the update. From here, once the process is complete, your device will prompt you to restart to finish applying the changes. Finally, click Restart Now when you're ready and your PC will reboot with that update removed. Keep in mind that not all updates can be uninstalled, since some are critical system components that Windows won't allow to be removed, so you may not see an uninstall option next to every entry in the list. That's how you uninstall Windows updates in Windows 11. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.